Welcome back, guys, to part 2 of simplifying linear expressions using distributive property. We completed problem number 1 and 2. Let's go to problem number 3. Okay, again, we cannot combine negative 12 times some number x plus 8. So we have to distribute the 3. So we get 3/4 times a negative 12 times some number x plus 3/4 times 8. Going to simplify the 4 here with the 12, and we end up with negative 3. And to simplify the 4 here with the 8, and we end up with 2. So it's 3 times negative 3x, which will give us negative 9x, and 3 times 2 is 6. Number 4. Again, we cannot combine negative 1/3 times some number x plus 3/5. So the best we can do to simplify this expression is to distribute the negative 15. So we multiply negative 15 times negative 1/3 x. We multiply negative 15 times 3/5. And then we simplify before we multiply. So we have a 3 here. Well, negative 3. And 15, let's call it 3. So 15 divided by 3 is negative 15 divided by 3 is negative 5. And then we have 5 and negative 15 gives us negative 3. So that's negative 5 times negative 1 is 5. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. 5 times some number x minus 9. All right, the last two. Write the simplified expression for the area of the rectangle below. So we know the area of a rectangle is base times height, or length times width. And we'll say this is our base, and this is our height. So we write the formula: area equals base times height. We substitute the values for base and height. Our base is 8, our height is 3/8 times some number x plus 12. Again, we cannot combine 3/8 x and 12. They're not like terms. So the only way to simplify this expression would be to distribute the 8. So we have 8 times 3/8 times some number x plus 8 times 12. We're going to simplify the 8, leaving us 3x, and 8 times 12 is not 76. It's 96. Okay? So we've extended this concept of distributive property to finding the area. All right, what's the simplified expression for the area of the rectangle below? Area is still base times height, so rectangle. We're going to say our base is 3 1/3, and our height is 3/5 times some number x plus 9. I'm sorry. This is supposed to be 3x plus 76 centimeters squared because it's area. Sorry about that, guys. Base times height. I'm going to convert 3 1/3 to an improper fraction. So now I'm going to distribute 10/3. 10/3 times 3/5 x, and 10/3 times 9. I simplify that cancels out. That's a 1. That's 2. That's how I got the 2x. And simplify before I multiply. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. 30. 10 times 3 is 30. So my answer is 2 times some number x plus 30. And again, back to the main concept of this lesson is we have generated equivalent expressions. 3 1/3 times the sum of 3/5 x and 9 is equivalent to 2x plus 30. They are equivalent, and we've also simplified it. All right, that's it. We wanted to generate equivalent expressions, and at the same time, we wanted to simplify, because that's what this whole unit is about: simplifying and generating equivalent expressions. All right, end of the lesson. Talk to you soon.